So I hope you had a nice time. And this is the last class in the 6th semester. Maybe after that, maybe there may be 1 or 2 hour revision. So in this last class, I used to share the last topics. That is, what are all the different analytics software used in finance at present? Most of the softwares, they are using Python and other softwares. If an organization is not having any software, they are using only the Excel. Excel is the basic, you can easily understand. From that one, you can do anything. In case of Python, the advantage, everything is available in the library function. You can use the library and you can use that one for the purpose of analyzing any data. That is the advantage of Python. Most of the softwares are designed based upon the Python. Even the FinCAD, what we are going to discuss at the end, and most of you are going to work, I think EY, some of them you have joined in EY. In case of EY, they are using that FinCAD. This basically from the Python. Okay, so that is today's agenda, and we will move on to the topic. And before that, I already shared one interesting news. I think some of you might have seen that one now. As an advancement in the finance analytics side, you can see the banks are trying to use the robo. That is the old story. All the banks, for the purpose of identifying and informing about the deposits amount as well as for the loan amount, any information to the customers, they are using the robo. I think you might have seen the robo dancing, in my view, dancing in some of the major banks. If you see the headquarters in Bangalore, in Canara Bank, you can see only the robo will use to welcome you. And these robos are now available in number of banks. You can see in MG Road as well as you can see in the Indian Express crossings. Almost all the banks, they are having their robo. That is used for the purpose of only knowing the balance available in the account as well as the amount due in loan. But nowadays, even in case of stockbroking, they are moving one step ahead. This is the nice news. The robo advisors are there. We have discussed, usually I used to quote the example of Praneeth as a financial analyst. If Amar is dialing to Praneeth, what will be the answer? Now Praneeth is going to be replaced with the robo, humanoids. It's nothing but only thing they created the intelligence software, nothing but the R programming. And through that one voice interface is there, it will recognize the person. And then after the recognition, it will inform about the balance. But we used to call it as artificial intelligence. It is not a very big technology, only the speech synthesizer, and it is linked with the account. That's all. You can see anyhow, this is a very nice example. The robo advisors are now there in case of India. You can see that one. For that advisor, it is now in the first phase. That's what the news is saying. And I think your senior, when I contacted last month, he is also saying that their organization is working in the robo side. How we can give the instruction to the investors through the robo. Somebody will ask, Amar will ask Praneeth whether I can invest in the ACC shares, or in case of Asian Paints, which I can invest, or somebody will ask about the portfolio. All these things, if the voice has been recorded properly, then it will go to the robo. Robo itself will give the advice. That won't be any bias. It is purely based upon the analytics. That is the very interesting story based upon the candlestick and based upon the moving average method. We have discussed in case of the Python how the decisions are taken based upon the MAC, that is the moving average system, the convergence and divergence using the moving average. We used to call it as MACD, that is moving average, convergence and divergence. That is basically used in almost all the stockbroking companies. Now, same thing is used in case of the robo. This man can now dial a particular number. If he dial that one, the robo will answer whether we can invest now. That is the advantage of that one. Very nicely done in case of India. You can see the stages involved with the robo advisors. I hope you might have gone through the WhatsApp. First one, the investor is submitting the investment. And second stage, the robo is analyzing. It is not the robo. It is using the Python programming for that one. Usually MACD analysis, that is moving average, convergence and divergence analysis. That is mostly used for that purpose. Okay. Then it goes to the best investment plan as based upon the client who is asking, based upon his voice. It will analyze and it will go for identifying the different analysis. Then it will inform the exact one. Client can inquire about the plan, that is systematic investment plan, SIPs, and confirm the order, whether the advice can be accepted or rejected. Once the customer says yes, then the order will be automatically processed by the robot. Very interesting thing. There is one YouTube video is also available. You can see that one in YouTube. I am not showing here. Anyhow, you can see the robo advisors. You can see that one nicely. Most of the share broking organizations, they created that one. That is the advantage of that one. You can see now this robo advisory is used in most of the organization. You can see a few examples they are given. These Scriptbox, Wealthy, FinPeg, Goalwise, Fisdom. These are all very old organizations. Anyhow, they are all pioneers in introducing new technology in fintech. They are basically called as fintech. Now the equity-based advice is also going to be given by the Taro Wealth. Your senior is working there in the Taro Wealth. I hope in future some of you may also work in case of this type of new fintech, or you may create your own fintech and do. Comprehensive wealth advice by the India Wealth, Artha Yantra, Cube Wealth. I think some of you might have gone through the internship to the Cube Wealth. It is located in Bangalore, I think in Whitefield. A nice organization. It created a nice method to analyze the investment plan. I think yesterday somebody presented about the systematic investment plan, SIP. In case of Cube Wealth, they are giving a nice solution based upon this type of advice. So this thing you must know. As you have completed the finance analytics, in future you are going to sit in any organization. You must know who are all the people using that one. If nobody using, you can use. If you are not getting any job, no problem. You can sit in your home and you can find out some of the software used by the finance companies, especially for share broking as well as the investment advisory. You can make it yourself as the consultant. I hope in future our Nitya may be the consultant for all these finance people. Nitya can sit and she will do all this work. There is no need for creating a new organization. Everything is available in web. You can create a website. You can learn the Python. Only thing, how to take it from the library and use. Or easily you can understand with the help of Excel. Or if you are having these devices, you can easily learn these type of softwares. You can sit in your home and you can give financial advisory to the investors. You may have any n number of clients. Here, there are some of the softwares. You can see that one. Click Data is the one of the fintech company which created the dashboard for finance analytics. This is normally used in case of the visualization technology. How your finance is moving, especially the cash inflows and outflows. The movement of cash inflows and outflows. You can see in case of your credit card, either you are having credit card in banks, now they are in the app itself, they are telling about your investment strategy or your spending analysis, your spend analysis, everything. All these transactions they created and put you for a nice graph. That is based upon the click data. This is a nice fintech corporation and it is funded in the Gift City in Ahmedabad. Of course, it is a global organization in Gift City. They are working on this thing and you can easily learn that one. You are having the free trial package. So you need not worry. You can sit in home and you can enjoy this click data. You can install in your laptop and you can do the consultancy services. That is the best idea, or at least you can learn. In my view, during the lockdown period, you can learn all these type of softwares. There, since you have studied Excel, that is the basic. Only thing you must know how to take decision making. If you know, you can easily use this software. Here is another interesting software, FreshBooks. Of course, it is not very famous in India, but if you are using the Lufthansa Airlines booking, everything, you can see the FreshBook. If you book in Lufthansa Airlines, and if you are asking for a particular special services, you have to pay extra. Once you paid, the payment gateway will link with the FreshBooks. And this is the nice software which is used to create your own investment strategy, especially very short term. This is not used for the purpose of share broking, but it is used for the purpose of controlling the expenditure. You can see the payments, how you can control the invoice. Indirectly, it means that supply chain of finance, not goods. This is a very good software used along with the supply chain of finance, financial supply chain. That is the core thing in case of the FreshBooks. Try to see that demo in any one of the things if you are free. Okay. Next, another one is Float. I hope some of you might have used Float when you are doing the internship. I think some of my students, only one student, whether he is there or not, okay, he used to have some of the reports using the Float. Float is used for scenario planning. If you are diverting the funds from one supplier to another supplier, how much you will get benefit. It will create a different scenario. Say, for example, Praneeth is having a very good supply chain network. He is making an order for around 2 crores from one organization. Say, for example, Bharat Biotech. Praneeth is ready to buy the Covaxin from Bharat Biotech for his employees. Then, if he is using the Float, it will give the different alternatives. What are the different type of payment gateway we can say? Because if you want to pay 2 crore rupees, the flotation charges are huge amount. Even if you want to borrow a loan for 2 crores, you have to pay huge amount of flotation charges. That is the processing charges. Here, Pranit can easily find out. He is going to pay 2 crores to Bharat Biotech for Covaxin. Which payment gateway he can use? This will give the nice scenario in which the processing charges are less. In case of normal cash outflows, it will tell clearly how we can reduce the intermediation in finance. That is the nice software. I think one of you use that one in case of your internship. This is Zoho. I think most of our students worked with Zoho. You are familiar with that one. I think more than 10 students worked in Zoho with regarding to the internship, equivalent to our Tally. It is also having the Tally, like Tally, not Tally, the accounting software. It can be used for both accounting and financial decisions. Combine one. Now Tally ERP also they have included the analytics part. But Zoho is very interesting. It will give the analytics of the financial behavioral part. Behavioral part means in last 1 year, where your cash is moving, not cash outflow, but the flow chart for the cash outflow. Flow chart for the cash outflow means you pay to some X, then X to Y, Y to N. The networking of cash flows will be projected by the Zoho. That is the plus point. Here is the master SWIFT. Of course, this is used in case of derivative management as well as the equity. Normally, it is the stock trading software. You can easily find out the derivatives, which type of derivatives you can give. Even it will give you an option. If you are going for call option, what is the benefit you are going to get in the particular transaction? Then the put option, what is the gain you are going to get? And if you want to fix the dates, whether we can go for futures for 3 months or 2 months or 4 months. Of course, in case of in India, we are having the restrictions. But if you are investing in some other countries, you can go for the futures in derivative segment for 2 months, 3 months. This is the software which will guide you. This is nothing. It will calculate the all your Black-Scholes approach for your option trading. The Greeks we have discussed, same Excel sheet, it will show in a different software. That's all. The output you can see in the visualization manner. Excel is the basic, what you have studied in Greeks. That is alpha, beta, gamma, rho, all these things. This software will calculate all those things like what you studied in Excel, but it will visualize with the help of the R. And you can, as well as in case of Python, that matplot, how it will, using the plotter, it will show about the how much you will gain. Simple thing. So that is the advantage of Master Swift. In case of one of the organization, they are using the Master Swift for investment consultation. In future, you may have the consultation. You can also download that one. You can have your own derivatives, but you should have a link with any one of the brokers. Once if you are having the brokers linkage, you can use that one for your derivatives. Then the Rich Live Trade. Here is the another software for currency trading. I think you have studied the international financial management, how the currency is moving. And this is used for the currency derivatives also. You can easily go for the currency derivatives, and even you can buy and sell the currency. Of course, we are having the restrictions as per the FEMA, as well as from the RBI guidelines are there. Based upon that, it will show the result. But these are all used in case of global level. This is the another forex trading, foreign exchange trading, MetaTrader. You can use that one in case of currency buying and selling. You might have known that one. Where once upon a time it is very famous. One of the bank which is dealing with the foreign exchange between the Gulf countries and India. They used to have this MetaTrader software. Of course, they are having the permission as the authorized trader for trading the currency. But they use this software to buy and sell the currency. There are a number of organizations, you know, about the foreign exchange dealings. Due to ethical situation, I should not disclose the name of the organizations. You know, very famous thing, those who are frequently travel, you must know, those who are traveling to Gulf or traveling to Singapore, Australia, you will know that one, how quickly you can get the currency. When we faced the problem when we used to travel to Kazakhstan last year, I think, you know, the currency is not available in India. But one of the foreign exchange broker is telling that wait for 2 days, I will get the currency. I asked how it is possible. Within 5 minutes, he is able to tell. And he gave us the currency for Kazakhstan within 2 days. Then I asked when you were boarding into the flight, inside that one, I called the travel agent, how you are able to get that one. No idea, sir. We are having the MetaTrader. Through the MetaTrader, we will identify where the currency is available. We will trade. Only thing, the physical delivery takes 24 hours. They will send through the Blue Dot or through the FedEx. So only we are asking 2 days time. You can see, but the trading, they will get within few minutes. I think those who are engaged in such type of foreign exchange currency, you will use that one, MetaTrader. I think you have studied in the foreign exchange management also. Okay. This is the another one, the MotiveWave. MotiveWave is the another software which is used in case of the share broker. That is, usually it will give the different ratios. That is indirectly mention about both the technical analysis as well as the fundamental analysis. You can see the Fibonacci component with the help of the candlestick diagram. Then it will give the clearly what are all the different ratios we are using that one also. It is a combination of both fundamental and technical analysis, MotiveWave. And one of the share broking agency they are using in Bangalore, your senior studied that one in the internship. You don't know whether in your batch anybody went here. Okay. Then this is a very old but golden one, ECG trade. ECG means not medical one. It will show clearly the monitoring one, when you can buy, when you can sell. This is formally recognized with the Nifty. In case of BSE and NSE, you can have this type of ECG trading. Then this is the investor, STA or not STO, investor. That is, this is used for the purpose of creating number of charts, of course. And this is provided with the add-on one from the NSE. Same thing is available. You can see as an add-on one. If you are independently doing this share broking, you can download. This is the free software only, but you have to register with the NSE. Usually better you can have a link with the NSE broker and you can download that one. Through that you can analyze that one and you can give the suggestions, and that broker will give you the commission also. E-Signal. Of course, this is used in case of BSE. If you want to have trading, S&P index, all the S&P index, they are using the E-Signal. You can see the basic candlestick theory, only applicable everywhere here. Okay. Then the spider stock market. This is for the intraday trading. Somebody asked yesterday the intraday trading questions. And this spider stock market software is used for the intraday fluctuations. It will easily find out what are all the fluctuations during the intraday. That's what I told. Morning 10 o'clock, when you comes in, you can invest. And this will give the nice input. What is the trend every 5 minutes? Based upon that, you can change your investment plan. This is the Trade Tiger. I think those who have worked in the Sharekhan and internship, you might know that one. This is the Trade Tiger. And this is developed by the Sharekhan themselves, but it is linked with the both BSE and NSE. Even with the India INX, the biggest stock trading platform in India now, which is located in Gift City in Ahmedabad. And this India INX is also given the permission for Trade Tiger of Sharekhan. If you are going to work in Sharekhan, you must know same thing. It is nothing. The back end is only the Python. This is also Ninja Trading. I think some of you have worked with that one during your internship. And same candlestick. This is also recognized by most of the share broking agency. It is very easy to understand. And you can, by seeing that image itself, you can suggest to your clients whether you can buy or sell. Then AmiBroker India. This is created by the AmiBroker itself, and it is recognized by the BSE and NSE. So same thing, like our Sharekhan Trade Tiger. This is from the AmiBroker. And here the advantage is you can create your own portfolio, and this portfolio risk you can identify. Any software you can create the portfolio, but here also AmiBroker advantage is you can create a nice portfolio. After creating a nice portfolio, it will tell when you can go for diversification, when you can sell some of the securities, when you can go for buying some of the securities based upon the availability of the security. That is very important. VectorVest. It is time-based one. Same portfolio, based upon the time it is used in intraday, based upon the which by this time, which is moving in bullish direction, which is having the bearish direction, whether we can use the bullish trend now. So based upon the time base, it used to create same thing. All these are working in MACD, that is moving average, convergence and divergence. This is another software, how much profit you will gain based upon the same estimate. Usually we will buy and sell the securities, but this will include the dividend or interest rate. In case of the any securities, if it is the equity market, it will calculate the dividend and inform you how much you will gain. If it is the debt market, the interest component, how much you will get. So it will clearly identify the your income level and your return level. And this is very nice, very important thing. Everybody must know, that is the algorithmic trading. Same moving average, convergence, divergence. Same Python is used for algo trading. This is now currently used in Bombay Stock Exchange. I think if you visit the Bombay Stock Exchange, you can see in the 29th floor the entire trading operations. Based upon this algorithmic trading, they used to see which share is moving highly. The result you can see in the outside of the BSE GG towers. You can see in the India Bulls, nearby India Bulls, and you can watch the tower. You are seeing entirely what is the present share price, everything. It is scrolling on, and this is based upon the algo trader. And it will connect with almost all the media people also. You can see in CNBC TV 18, ET TV, NDTV profit, all these things, they are having the linkage with the algo trader so that they will get the current price movement immediately and real time. This is the WinTrade application. Same thing which is linked with the algorithmic trading. The algorithm is defined clearly here. This is also used by some of the broking agency. Here is used in case of Angel Brokers. I think two of your seniors are working in Angel Broking and they are using that software. Same thing. This is having the backup equivalent to Excel. They created nicely in case of Excel and they created their own spreadsheet with the help of backend of VB, Visual Basic. They created the nice sheet. You can see that what it is used in case of even MCX and CDSL. That is for the purpose of the online trading. Okay. This is the Trade V. You can get the alert automatic trading software. You can fix which share you want to sell or buy. You can automatically include that one. Whenever the share is coming down in a particular day, it automatically buys. At the same time, if you are given the sell signal and which share you have to sell, it will watch. You can fix the time, 2 days, 3 days. Say, for example, Pranit is having the TCS or Tata Motor shares. He decided to sell and he can fix the time, 2 days or 7 days. Within 7 days, when it is having the increasing trend, by the time it will automatically sell the shares. That is the advantage. Okay. At the end, you must know the very important software. As I think some of you, I think our Sam is going to work, Hussein is going to work, and few of you are going to work in EY, and EY is also using FinCAD. There's a very nice software used in analytics. Both it can be used with the help of the cash flows plus stock market, then investment decisions, then the statutory compliance, especially in case of taxation purpose. That is why EY is using the FinCAD. This is having the backup of only the Python. You can see the Python codings here. These people are getting the coding from the Python library and they themselves created the Python coding also and they are using for their purpose. Most of the organizations are now depending upon the FinCAD. I think your juniors are going to study in finance analytics, FinCAD, separate analytics for that one. We are going to have the financial analytics in fifth semester, sixth semester, it may be the FinCAD. We are discussing about that one. In future, this FinCAD is going to rule and you are going to study when you are joining in case of all this organization. Okay. This is a very interesting software. Analytics, only thing if you know the Python, you will use that one. You can see Dutch Bank, Citibank, EY, all these are all using the FinCAD software. Okay, I think some of the students are going to present. So you can see the processing in case of the FinCAD, how this FinCAD they are using that one. The entire coding is done by the Python. And these people are having their own coding, professional people. And what these people are doing, they are creating the coding also. However, it is stored in the Python database, in the Python files. And you can use the Python library for that one. From the Python library, you can download and fit the codings according to the user interface. That is the advantage of FinCAD. And this FinCAD will automatically inform you clearly which library you have to search. If a question is coming, if this one is suddenly asking to Praneeth, immediately Praneeth has to find out in the Python library, then only he has to create. But if Praneeth is using FinCAD, the advantage is FinCAD itself will ask the questions through the FinCAD dashboard. Praneeth will easily identify. Here is the example of scenario analysis. Immediately, Praneeth can create a scenario analysis and the Python result will come. Based upon that, he can give the output decision immediately. That is why my recommendation during your free time, go through the FinCAD and it will be very useful if you are going to choose your career as the finance analytics. I hope with this we can conclude our course. Stay safe in home. Okay, that is my advice, and try to go and study about the FinCAD and some of the software. Even you can sit in your home as a consultant and you can use. Only thing, you should have a linkage with some of the broking agencies, or you can have a linkage with the fintech companies. Either you can register in the fintech city in Gujarat or in Kolkata or in Bangalore. It is going to come up. Fintech city is going to come up. You can have a look with the fintech city. You can create your own software for that purpose also. That is also possible. So that in future, you will be a good finance analytics. You can do it at your own. You can create your own entrepreneurship and you can do your own business. That is the main aim of this course. With this, we'll conclude the course. Let us move on to the presentation by our students. Okay.